Today I'm here to announce the completion of an in-depth investigation of a serious criminal matter in the village of DeForest and the charging of Gabriel S. Savage in Dane County Circuit Court. Mr. Savage is being charged with 1 count of attempted kidnapping and 1 count of stalking. The case number that's assigned is 2022 CF 900. In law enforcement, it's often said that success is sometimes measured by what doesn't happen. And in the case that we're here to talk about today, that is absolutely true. Thanks to a collaborative effort between our community that we are proud to serve and our department, we're able to stop an unimaginable tragedy. On March 20th, 22, at approximately 10 o'clock p.m., members of the DeForest Police Department were responded to a call for service regarding a suspicious auto in the area of Woodvale Drive and Meadow Lane in the village of DeForest. Officers located an adult citizen who was the sole occupant of a vehicle that was parked on the wrong side of the street with the lights off. Upon contacting the driver of the vehicle, officers observed an AR-style semi-automatic rifle in the front passenger's compartment of the vehicle. The driver was wearing all black clothing, including a black hat and black surgical face mask. The driver of the vehicle was found to be in possession of a large quantity of ammunition and 2 pair of handcuffs. The driver was subsequently arrested and detained on charges relating to operating under the influence and possession of a firearm while under the influence. An in-depth investigation was conducted and commenced by the DeForest Police Department, and further follow-up was conducted, and writings of the suspect were obtained, which documented a clear and present danger to an individual who was in close proximity to the suspect at the time he was located and arrested. We've recovered evidence that document medication use and detail a plan to cause harm to an individual whom the suspect was familiar with. During the investigation, several search warrants were executed at the suspect's apartment inside the village of DeForest. Evidence was recovered in both search warrants that is currently being analyzed by experts. The victim and suspect's families are both cooperating with our investigation, which is still ongoing at this time. The Village of DeForest Police Department wants to thank our community for their partnership and support during this investigation. We're also thankful to the Dane County District Attorney's Office, the State of Wisconsin Division of Criminal Investigation, the State of Wisconsin Crime Lab, the Federal Bureau of Investigation, and the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearms for their support in this and all cases. This is still an ongoing investigation. The suspect is presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. The Village of DeForest prides itself on being a safe community, guarded by a police department that is dedicated to providing the highest level of law enforcement service to all who live, work, and visit the Village of DeForest. This case highlights the trust that our community places in us as their guardians, and we are eternally thankful for this relationship. Again, I've said it before, the investigation is not yet complete. If there is anyone who has information regarding this incident or observations that could further our investigation in this case, they're encouraged to contact the DeForest Police Department at 608-846-6756 or via our anonymous tip line at 608-846-6771.